So we learned that testing might make sense. How do we test then? We need two tools to write good tests and be able to test our React application. The first tool is the test runner. This is basically a tool which is responsible for executing our tests, so for running the code, the test code, and providing a validation library, which in the end is a library which allows us to do comparisons and potentially throw some errors. The idea behind unit tests is that they don't run in the browser, but instead with Node.js, though often emulated to be in a browser environment with the help of specific JavaScript packages. The test runner then is the core tool which simply executes our code using that environment. And the good thing is Create React App already comes with a pre-configured testing environment we can build up on. So that's the test runner, and we will use Jest in this course. Jest is already installed in an app created with Create React App, and it's a popular JavaScript testing tool, which is not limited to React, but often used in React apps. Now, running the test is one thing. When working with React and components, we also need a way of emulating these components, of basically mounting them to some non-existent DOM, you could say, and then traversing our components. And we want to do this in an efficient and quick way without having to actually create that whole component tree, which might also introduce some side effects. For this, we need testing utilities, which help us with testing. And there, we specifically need the just described help to simulate the React app, mount components, and dig into that DOM, which is created with React. In this course, we could use React Test Utils, that's the official utility tool, but there's another tool which became more and more important and interesting and is also suggested by the React team, and that's Enzyme. Enzyme is a tool developed by Airbnb. They use React in a lot of their projects, and they share this tool, which makes it easy to mount components and then navigate through them. And I will of course show you how to use both tools, Jest and Enzyme, in this course. So these are the testing tools. That leaves us only with one question: what should we test?